Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-L2680DW printer driver download and installation. So open any browsers, Google search box to type like that, and then first link support.brother.official website. So you need to download driver from this official website. Select the Windows, select operating system Windows 11, 10, 32, 60 watt server also there, and other operating system installations process also same. Then click to OK. This is the easy setup. This is driver with the software, and you can see this is a printer driver and scanner driver for the USB. Click on it. Now on your printer and connect to your desktop and laptop. After that, slow down and agree to download. After that, it will start downloading 44.9 MB. Then it is completed. Click on this icons, so it will open where it is downloaded. Then just right click to open, otherwise you can hit enter. It will extract same locations and create new folder like this. Okay, and then click to OK. After that, open this is your printer driver. Then minimize, click to start, and then click on setting. Then click to Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner. Click to add device. After that, it will open the manual options, so click on it. Then select the last one, manual setting, and then click to next. By default port 1, then next. Now click to have disk, and then click to browse. Then click to download. Open this folder and type select INDNF, and then click to open. Then click to OK. Now find out your printer 2680 2680. This is your printer. Then next. Now installing, then next, finish. After it, you can see your Windows is installed, but before the printing you need to restart printer and your desktop laptop also. Okay, then try to print. Thank you.